Today, I'm going to talk about OBS and how to make your iPhone or your Android phone a webcam. What's going on, guys? Angel Telemontis here, Click Leads Local. If you guys enjoy gear reviews about video products, software, and small local business digital marketing, go ahead and subscribe below and click the notification bell so that you guys don't miss another video. Today, I'm going to talk about OBS and how to make your iPhone or your Android phone a webcam. The other cool feature that you can do as well is you can send this invite to anybody else that has an Android or an iPhone, and they can chime in into a chat room, almost like Zoom. You're able to send this invite link to them so that they can log into your stream. Let's say you want to stream live, or you're trying to host a video conference for free without Zoom. You're able to host the video conference and get that person to come into your stream via their phone from anywhere in the world. And then on top of that, you'd be able to stream live or host a personal video conference. So let me show you guys the OBS Ninja feature. Let's go onto my computer. I'll show you inside. Okay, guys, we're here on OBS Ninja, and you guys see several features: group chat, add your camera to OBS. But what I'm going to show you guys today is how to use your phone as a webcam. So where you would go is to create reusable invite right here. So what you're able to do, if you guys can see here, if you have your smartphone, you guys can open up your camera, and then you guys can copy the link. I'm also going to actually start to record this on my phone. So I pulled up my camera, used the QR code, and this is what shows up. So what you do next here is you click share your camera, and then you choose video source. And you can choose your front camera or your back camera if you want. I'll choose my back camera, for example, just kind of show you what's going on here. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my front camera instead. So this is back at me, so I'm going to set this right up here by my coffee. And then your audio input, if you want to hook up a microphone to your phone, you'd be able to do that. But when you're ready, you click start. So now you see that this is how it looks on here. Now let's go back to the computer. So we're back on the computer now. Now you guys see the OBS browser source link here. You click that. Then you go back to OBS. And what you do is you go down to add, and you add a browser. And then you can say OBS Ninja. Hit OK. And then what you do is you put that URL that you just received right there. And you can go ahead and do 1920 by 1080 so that it fills up the screen. I like to control my audio in OBS, so I hit OK. And then we're going to do 24 frames per second. You hit OK. And then your video will load right up here. As you guys can see, it's loading right here. I have been having some errors as I do have the brand new OBS, and I believe if I look back on OBS Ninja that this was updated on the 24th. Right now it's currently the 29th, and they said that OS might have some occasional issues with audio and camera issues. It's partially fixed on the 14.13 update, which I have on my camera right now. So they're getting that fixed right now. But it does work, and your video will load right here, and you will have another camera. So as you guys can see on the TV, or if you guys can see in my camera there, or in my OBS, this is what it would look like. So there you have it, guys. That's how you guys use your Android or your iPhone as a webcam on OBS using OBS Ninja. And it's amazing because you're able to reuse that same invite code every time. So if you guys are having consistent streams or consistent podcasts with somebody from around the world, you're able to get them logged into your stream right away. There are going to be some other features coming. I love the group chat idea. It's a lot like Zoom, and the best part is it's free. It's going to be a game changer for people who don't want to use Zoom or love using OBS to stream their games on Facebook, YouTube, etc. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Peace.